Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Anastasia's blue dress on Dress to Impress. So removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. So for the hair, I used this hair in this color 68311D for all of it. Toggle to the first toggle, adjustments made, position X at 0.49, Y 0.48, Z 0.46, rotate the X to 0.58. And also I use this hair in the same color in only bangs. Position the X at 0.53, Y at 0.56, Z 0.52. Rotate the X to 0.6 and scale it to 0.33. Then for the headband, I just use this one, this thin one in white and glitter. I also use this, by the way, in no bangs. Forgot to mention that. For the headband, position the Y at 0.66, Z 0.67. Rotate the X to 0.19 and scale it to 0.17. You do need VIP for this for the dress, but you can use any other dress that is floor length. Select it, and I'm just going to color it this color, 1F2137. Actually, for the earrings, I'm also going to use this VIP item, but if you don't have it, you can replace it with the one outside. I'm going to color it this gray color in glitter for both of the toggles. Then we just need two more items, which is the necklace and the scarf going down. For the necklace, I just use this one in this gray color in glitter. And for the dress, I use this, the scarf, I use this in the second toggle in this lighter color, 373A61. And that is it. Oh, and we also need the gloves here and just no fur. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!